Welcome. This is a quick walkthrough to order a sales proposal on the Vishtik Portal. First, go to project.vishtik.com and log in. Select Sales Proposal from the drop-down menu. Enter the name of the client or project contact. Enter the email address. In address, type the complete site location, street, city, state, and zip. When all fields are complete, click Submit. Complete the proposal form. In the client name field, enter the client's full name. In the client email field, enter the client's primary email address. In the project address field, enter the full site address, including street, city, state, and zip code. In the annual electricity consumption field, enter the customer's yearly kilowatt-hour usage. For property type, select either residential or commercial as appropriate. For new construction, choose yes or no to indicate whether the project is new construction. In the Module Make field, enter the manufacturer of the solar modules. In the Module Model field, enter the exact model of the solar modules. In the Inverter Manufacturer field, enter the inverter brand. And in the Inverter Model field, enter the exact model and the quantity required. In the Utility Name field, type the customer's utility provider, and in the Utility Rate field, enter the current rate per kilowatt hour. In the Annual Utility Rate Escalation field, add the expected yearly percentage increase if applicable. In the Incentives field, list any local, state, or federal incentives that apply to this project. In the System Cost Dollars per Watt field, enter the system cost in dollars per watt. In the Representative field, enter the name of the sales or project representative handling this proposal. In the Mounting Type field, select the mounting system, such as roof-mounted or ground-mounted. Upload project photos and any other required documents by dragging and dropping files into the Upload Project Photos and Other Documents section. In the Additional Notes field, provide any special instructions, site constraints, or customer requests. When all fields are complete, click Save, then Submit. You'll see an on-screen confirmation and receive an email with the next steps.